Have you ever seen a giant bunny? Of course we have one. Well, I have to rearrange his housing situation. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do here and why. And come along with me and we can get this done. Because he's driving me nuts. So, all right, let's go. So that is a Flemish Giant rabbit. So he's only 2 months old and he's already bigger than a normal adult size rabbit. And they get up to 40 pounds. So the size of a border collie. And I have been trying to litter train him. But with the male rabbits, it's a little bit harder unless you get them fixed. But with the kids in 4-H, that is not something that I want to do yet. So we need to go rearrange his housing situation. I'll show you what we're going to do here. Okay, so this was a quail house that I had. So I had incubated some quail eggs and had some little baby quails. And as soon as they got big enough, I could put them in here. But my giant turkeys decided to turn it into a roost, busted through, and let all of my baby quail out. And I never could catch them again. And then they kind of just disappeared. But it's been up in that loft for like 2 years now. And now I can put it to use. But from Turkey, yeah, I've got to get the staple gun out and make some reinforcements for this because it's not all together. So let's get it washed up and cleaned up. Of course, I didn't realize that that hose had a hole in it and it was spraying everywhere. So I was getting no pressure in the hose. So gotta go change that out really quick and start over. Okay, well, it's all sprayed off, but I still have to fix it because the turkey's broken through some of the screens and everything. So I need to get the stapler, fix it. But the whole reason I'm putting him out is because I was litter box training him, and I have a full-size dog kennel down there, and you would think it'd be big enough for it, but it's really not big enough for him. And when we let him out, the minute he gets out, he goes straight to my couch and poops on my couch. Like, I don't know the reason. I've had to wash my couch, take it completely apart and wash it 3 times just this week, because as soon as he gets out, I even gated it off, like the whole couch. He jumps right over the gate. Like, he is like hellbound to get to my couch and poop on it. And it's just little rabbit pellets, but I don't want little rabbit pellets on my couch. And obviously. So, and I was reading with litter box training, he'll pee on it too. So, but with litter box training, with the males, they kind of want to mark their territory. So they'll find a place that smells like you, like a couch, and they like soft places. So they'll jump up there. Well, since I do not want to get him castrated at this point in time, he's going to have to stay outside in his little cage. And I'll let him come in. I'm going to keep his litter box in there so he continues to use his litter box as he's supposed to. And then he'll be able to come inside once in a while, but he's going to be on strict watch. So my 5-year-old lets him out sometimes without telling anybody. And then I go downstairs to a mess and I just don't want to deal with it anymore. It's driving me absolutely crazy. Plus, we're in the middle of renovating, so there's not a lot of room anywhere right now. So this is my solution. And I know he's going to grow out of that, obviously, you know, fairly quickly, but we'll come up with a new solution at that time. Because right now, this is what I got. This is what we're doing. So let's get her fixed up, and then we'll get little Bunny Fufu all set up in there. Okay, so this thing is just staples. It's holding this mesh on. So there's really not a lot to it, and why the turkeys broke into it, but this is going to be up by the house, so the turkeys aren't going to mess with it. I had it in the barn when I had the quails in there, and they really messed with it in there. Ugh. I'm going to end up having to spray it off again, but that's fine. All right, where is this? Go. Some these staples in here. Get it down really good. I'm going to add a few everywhere else too, just to make sure that it's quite a bit more secure. Move this. What in the heck is that? All right, I'm going to flip her back over and spray her off one more good time. And we should be able to set Bunny Fufu up in there. So there's like a little tray in the top where the house is. So that's like a perfect place for a litter box without taking up extra room. I'll show it to you in just a... Yeah, so you pull it out right from the back, but it's right here. Or no, you pull it out from the front. Never mind. Yeah, right there. Pull it out from the front. Nice little litter tray. I'll put his litter in there and then we just go. And I'll keep his food and his water up there too, because bunny rabbits, their food and their water goes next to their litter box because they use the bathroom when they eat. Weird, I know, but that's how it works. That'll work. We'll carry it over here to the porch so he's up against the house. So predators, I'm not worried about predators if he's more up against the house. And then we'll get him set up and in his new home. Okay, I got Smokey's house set up where I want it to go for right now, where it's going to go. So let's put all this stuff in there and get him moved into his new home. Okay, so that little tray is in here. So we're gonna put his litter in it.
Be careful with him, okay, kitty?
There's quite a bit of room in here, which is great.
I can always see that warm days are cold days, right, Mama? I can see that cold days are warm days, right? Even before when I go to school. The bunny fufu. Even I'll have a long weekend.
Okay.
He
has this little hay feeder. I'm
Hay.
gonna set this up in here.
Could I put his food in?
That works pretty good. How do I get this door open?
Can I put his
Oh,
food
I see.
in? I want to put his food in.
Hold on, Kaylin.
Oh, that's where
There's
it
this
gets
little
up.
door. Okay. And I'll put his, this over here.
Can
His
I
water
put
over
him
here.
in? Can I put him in?
Yeah, hold on a second. And then his little treat
Shoot.
thing.
It's like he goes
Back
under
over
fish.
here. Get Sprinkles, it's not your cage.
It's bunny fufu.
Alright, alright, here, let me take his leash off.
And then I can put him in.
Yeah.
Stupid birds! We're
There goes Bunny Foo-Foo.
Oh, Bunny Foo-Foo.
All right.
I'm going to watch
And
him.
he's home.
Can I watch him for a bit?
Yeah, you can watch him.
Until...
Well, and
Until you...
that's it.
Until
He's
you...
in his new home for today. So
Until you call me to come in, I can watch him.
And hopefully this makes my life just a little bit easier because we've got so much going on. Oh, I forgot to put the hay in there. But I will catch you guys on the next video. Get you some beef.